Ground was broken for the construction of a new sugarcane factory in Lionel town today. The multi-million US dollar investment is promising to inject hundreds of jobs and with that new life to southern Clarendon. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson was in the community and filed this report.
Empty fields, closed gates, idle equipment and rusty machines. The sugar industry in southern Clarendon has been on the figurative deathbed for nearly 10 years.
So you see, when the sugar lockdown, everything dead. All my wife gone left me. When the sugar dead. You understand? When everyone gone a country, gone live with another man in Manchester who are playing food. So I don't make no money again to support him. So him have to run. I can't blame him. For him have to run for everybody want better. So you see, if this a factory coming on, the man them serious. Oh God, man, things can go on. You find everybody run up and down. You find more people run shop. You find people put up this, you find people put up that. So you find look more things are going on and then look something there. Right now, don't dead, you know. Don't come like a cemetery, you know, see it, man.
But fresh life is being injected into the area. Investors, Tropical Sugar Company Limited is about to build a new plant in the Lionel town community. More than $50 million of capital will go into the project.
That the Tropical Sugar Company Limited enters with an investment of approximately US $50 million. As you have heard, they will introduce modern field technology, mechanized harvesting, a processing facility capable of producing a diverse range of products, including brown sugar, refined sugar, liquid sugar, ethanol, jaggery, renewable power, and bottled water.
Construction is expected to last about 12 months. The factory will be built on lands across from the old Money Musk sugar plant. Close to 700 workers are expected to be employed during the construction and the subsequent operations of the factory.
We would like to do something great in Jamaica for bringing back that glory, bringing back the cane and sugar into Jamaicans' life. So this was very fertile lands, a lot of potential is there for cane growth. So we are expecting that this will help us to create direct and indirect employment, and also that will give opportunity for the rural economy.
This particular groundbreaking was planned long before Hurricane Melissa made landfall in Jamaica. After the impact of the hurricane, there were fears among stakeholders that this particular groundbreaking could have been adjusted, timelines moved along, but not so. Investors say going ahead with the project is a vote of confidence in the Jamaican economy.
This groundbreaking could not have come at a better time. As we are reeling from Hurricane Melissa, just recovering from Hurricane Beryl, thinking about how do we chart our way forward in agriculture in relation to food security, how do we recover quickly? We are reminded that investment will have to drive that recovery.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.